know what? It captures everything really well. It's really clear.
Is it easy to use?
Oh yeah, really easy. Well, 3 buttons.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know. It's really easy to use.
Is it light to carry?
Yeah, it's very easy to carry. Way lighter than my camera right now, and it's got way more functions. Yeah, this is really neat.
Picture is nice.
Is it really light to carry?
Yes, it's very light to carry. Can you put it in your pocket? Yes. Easy. Seems very easy to use.
Yeah, I think this thing is, because it's light, it's not heavy, it's good for sport. You can run with that. You don't need big pocket, and you can actually easy to use. It's fast.
Is it really easy to use?
Yeah. Yeah, it is. Normally I'm really bad with electronic stuff,
Yeah,
so
me too.
I can use it. Well, it's really, really easy to handle, and I think the screen is really clear to see. And yeah.
Is it light to carry?
Well, it's quite light, and I really like the design of it. I like white, and yeah.
Oh, here, USB.
Yeah.
So that's good because you can use that for everything with your, you know, for your phone charger and your iPod and stuff.